The site behind me, 32 to 34 Ricketty Street. Construction's commenced for the new development, WORKS Mascot. Demolition is now complete and construction is about to commence on a brand new industrial development comprising of premium warehouses and storage units in the heart of one of Australia's most tightly held industrial precincts. Positioned at the centre of Sydney's most infrastructure-rich industrial precinct, just 4 minutes from Sydney Airport, minutes to the M8, M5 and WestConnex, and approximately 15 minutes from Port Botany. This is where logistics, distribution and business efficiency converge. But what makes Mascot truly unique isn't just the connectivity, it's the lack of supply. Whether you're looking to secure your own premises or position yourself in one of Sydney's most constrained industrial markets, opportunities like this don't come around often. As construction gets underway, now is the time to secure your position. WORKS Mascot. Register your interest today.